Someone's gotta type in chat. So this switches away, but what's up, guys? You guys can see I'm not at my original setup. You guys already know where I'm at. What the fuck? Got a bunch of lint all over me. But we're here to let you guys know how yesterday went. It was beautiful. Again, I need someone to chat. I need this. I need to make sure chat's working, everything's working. Help me. You guys hear me? You guys see me? It's a solid angle, solid. Should be a little bit higher on the camera. Let me at people. But I think we're live. We should be. Let's hope. What are you guys up to? What are you guys doing today? You guys looking at anything? Am I not seeing that? We're alive, right? Yeah. Just being weird. I don't know. There we go. Whoa. What is up, Edgar? I can't see how many viewers are in there. I don't like this. But, guys, I'm liking the markets already. I was kind of peeping them on my MacBook for a little bit. Let's close all this other shit out of here. Let's open some sessions. How we doing? Let's let people load in. We'll kind of break down from there. Good, Antonio. It is a blessed Tuesday. Very, very blessed. Gonna kill today. Again, you guys know how yesterday went. Absolutely fucking beautiful. Cut sales. I got taken out of break even, but a bunch of you guys were able to thankfully capitalize on the profits. What's up? Hey, how you doing? Beautiful trade and price just continued to melt. But let's see what we can get into going to today. What I'm already looking at. Chilling, bro. That's good. That's good. What I'm already looking at is to manipulate Asia highs, guys. As you can see, we've kind of pushed pretty bullish, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. We've kind of created this structure within here, which I like, obviously, because I'd like to see price hesitate there at London Open. If we can see a push higher, I would obviously target Asia highs, depending on how big my stop is. If price isn't at a 101 once we get to Asia highs, then obviously I'm going to adjust accordingly, probably move to break even just like yesterday and let price run. But again, it all comes down to also higher time frame. But the reason I'm liking buys a little bit more is because we've already facilitated pullback within this bullish leg. I'm not saying, and that does not mean price can't continue bearish into lower prices and actually change structure entirely. But more likely than not, price is going to push bullish, even if it's momentarily. Again, we'll see. So, yeah, price react. UK100 is looking somewhat similar. So, let's see where Asia. Again, same concept of targeting Asia highs. I'd like to see price move pretty similarly. Again, we'll kind of see as price plays out, but it would be nice to see them show a positive correlation. And again, stops would be here as of right now, and BP would be here, which would be a 101. So I may favor UK 100 in this case right now, rather over DAX, but I actually could end up taking both. We'll see. But again, same thing where we had a bullish leg previous. We now are facilitating this pullback. Even if we just push bullish just to take liquidity to run deeper into a discounted area, it is what it is. At least we're able to capitalize on that momentary push to take liquidity, right? But again, price can continue to run for the entire session, right? I mean, we've already facilitated a pullback to the point where we've come into discount. Therefore, again, we can just shoot up from there. So, you guys looking at anything though? Where my chatters at? There's like nobody in chat. Hopefully stream starts. And there it goes. What's up, Jocko? Holy crap, that scared me with my headphones on full blast. What scared you? Sorry for what I dropped. I'm so sorry. It was loud as fuck. I don't know why that was so loud, to be honest. It was so loud. Maybe because it just landed just flat straight. Jocko, what are you thinking? I'm thinking buys, guys. Buys. At least momentarily. Mic too far. Mic's too far. But if I adjust it like that, is that better? What's up, Cartoony? My little fucking hater. Yeah, I remember yesterday. I took that shit to heart. If you guys don't remember, Cartoony was talking all this, saying my stop was gonna get hit at this certain time. But from what I remember, Price absolutely sold off for about a 1-3. So lame ass fit. Okay, my bad, bro. Fruit FX, what's up, bro? How you doing? Poppin'. Hello, told you it was going. Bro's rage baiting. Cartoony is a fucking rage baiter. You know, and I almost fell for it too. And then I took a step back in my own head and was like, fuck Cartoony. I'm not gonna let him rage bait me. Nah, it's all love. I love Cartoony. Outfit of the day. Something like I had a different fit on earlier. It was just I knew I was gonna um be a little bit cold out, so Cartoony, I'm with you. Wow, Edgar. Cartoony was at them Diddy parties. I don't doubt it, dude. Bro's been everywhere and anywhere. But again, guys, UK 100 and yeah, can you guys know what happened Monday where we had a UK 100 trade and I was waiting for it. It was beautiful buys, similar just to this, running up to Asia highs. Price opened at London, so London open. Price moved so fast that we weren't able to enter because I did not have limits. And even if I did have limits, I may have been hit with a pretty big spread. Because I mean, just price moves so ridiculously fast. Bro, he can wear what he want when he make paper. Alex Noonan, Alex is talking. Alex is spitting. I feel like the camera's too low. Am I tripping? All right, this is the close-up top song. I think that's a little better. I feel like that's better. I really like that. There you go. Start counter. Fuck you, Edgar. And some goals buys targeting daily high yesterday as well as 3. Hell yeah. How's that going, Antonio? You running up profits right now? At least Diddy parties. They don't just wear black jacket with no pants on their desk. You just saw me in pants. Imagine though I stood up just in boxers. I don't know how people do it. Like, didn't Aiden Ross do that a lot? But at the same time, like, those pink thongs under them pants. Cartoon, he done it. You know, okay, you guys know what Luca told me he did. So the other day when I was streaming on his setup as well, he can go on his phone and like obviously type because it's the same trading view. And he like typed on one of the markets like Nick sits when he's peas and was like expecting you guys to see. I was like, this fucker. Troll ass motherfuckers. All of you guys are trolls. I love and hate it. Not a lot of times it's entertaining. But guys, 7 minutes until open. I want to see price continue to reject this area. And then again at open, I want to see some volume push up. And I'd possibly be looking to enter both of these. But again, when it comes to DAX, I'd be at break even as soon as we reach Asia highs, even though we're at not a full 1% or 1R. Then I make a mess with the splash with the range. What do you mean, Antonio? Am I not good? Is it a joke? Am I tripping? What's going on here? Do you guys like buy Jocko? What do you think? I like opinions. Even if you say sells, I'm still gonna buy because I like it. But again, I love hearing other people's opinions. Do a challenge where all you do is trade gold. Fuck gold. Sorry. Gold is honestly okay. Actually, maybe during Asia. I hate gold right now. A lot of people that I've been DMing with have been saying I hate gold right now, but what do you mean, well, Nick? What does that mean, Jocko? Does that mean you're in support of sales? I'm not saying sales can't take place. I don't know if you're here when I was explaining it. Again, like looking at the higher time frame, Price can definitely sell off into a further discounted level. We've already come into this area of imbalance. We haven't filled it entirely, but that's not to say that price can't. I haven't looked at the daily, but looking at the daily, we've created a bottom wick, top wick. We're at a point where, again, price can do whatever it wants. I'm thinking in this case, it should push higher just to seek liquidity. That's it. Just to seek liquidity, right? Obviously, if price were to come down here, then it'd be a different story, but I'm willing to shoot. Even on DAX, like again, price can come lower. We are pretty bearish overall, but if UK 100 is pushing, I see that opening with some good volume to the upside. We may just shoot for a quick move. Nick, I know what it is. What is it, cartoony? Tell me. Gold has been in some nasty ranges. Definitely waiting for estimate. I'm seeing the rest of the week. Yeah, if there's some heavy news, like it's probably just consolidating or just, yeah, waiting for news. Trendline broken, retest done, looking for buys. On what? DAX? Yeah, guys, I'm looking for buys on DAX and gold, but again, there's still 4 minutes. I don't want to see a pre-push. You guys know I don't like that. Price is already in a really good position where I would be comfortable shooting aggressive here if it came down to it. And obviously, we could play a really tight stop loss here because price shouldn't come down in theory. But because we're dealing with the opening candle, we could see a pretty heavy down wick just to get some quick liquidation of early buyers and sellers. So I'd still be comfortable playing it at this low. We're still getting a 101 at Asia highs. Doesn't really matter. I gotta take a piss. Do I have time, chat? You trade sober, that's why you're losing. Any fuck kilo rage baiter. Yesterday we caught a W. Thinking gold buys or sells are bad if waiting for confirmation. I'm gonna check gold right now. I'm just kind of locked in, even though we have 3 minutes. I like and don't like how you can. Okay, I like that. I don't want to see early buys. Oh my god, I gotta pee so bad. Once I get in, I might run to the restroom and come back and see what happens. Or we could get liquidated to get smoked, but in this case, again, I think price is gonna seek that liquidity and even looking at the daily on DAX, look at this. We could end up holding into this area too. I mean, look at this down wick. We could end up just top wicking to fill this to run lower, or we could end up bottom wicking here and just totally flipping. Again, daily's fire. So again, buys are looking pretty fucking good, guys. Pretty fucking good. But again, I hope we don't get that early buy. Hey, I feel it, bro. Me too. I don't have an exact bias yet. Hope we don't get that early buy. There's a chance I set limits on one when it comes to like 1 minute before open. Dax is buying pre. That's fine. It's actually not fine. Like again, like I want to see price stutter here. I really do. Guys, I'm in. On DAX. Wait, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I set a limit. Not in yet. Price hasn't opened. Sorry. I'm in. I'm out on UK 100, guys. I set a limit. I'm out on UK 100. Already out. I'm out on both. I'm actually at break even. I'm gonna go to break even on DAX, I think, and let it run. I already won on UK 100, guys. I already won UK 100. I got in both. One here, already closed. I'm letting DAX run and seeing what price does. Again, looking at the daily flip here, guys, I think we could really push bullish for a while. So fucking W. Oh my gosh, so fucking easy, guys. You guys don't understand. We're running. We're just running. Wow. Cartoony talking about him. Wow. Two bangers, guys, just like that. You guys know that. I'm closed on both positions, guys. What the fuck you mean I never told you? I told you I'm probably going to set limits on one and get in both positions. Fucking Cartoony. Sometimes I just want to go over there and fight you. Guys, wow. 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 Insane. Price is still running too. Again, you guys can set a break even. UK 100 instantly got out. And they got too close to the camera. What do you mean, top songs? Top songs, go back. I did have a close up. But it was a little too close. Not gonna lie, it was a little too close. Y'all probably got me on a bad angle. I did catch that buy. I caught this buy, and I caught this buy. I kind of jinxed it the entry because it was so fast. You're extending limits. Yes, like in this case, especially when I'm dealing with two, what I ended up doing was, depending on how price was looking, about 45 seconds prior, 30 seconds prior to London Open, I decided to set limits on UK 100 just because price was kind of chopping around this area and not close to entry yet. Meaning, once London did open, either it's going to push down or push up, and I'm willing to ride that volume. With DAX, I had my finger on the trigger. Didn't set limits here, but once price opened and I saw price just instantly start pushing here, got a pretty decent entry. And then price did. I got out at the high, honestly. So it was nice. It ran a little bit higher than Asia highs. You see how hard I roasted you? What are you talking about? Yeah, grow some eyebrows before you talk to me. Fuck you, Cartoony. Fuck you. Go make some money before you talk to me. We're not gonna start this, Cartoony. You're rage baiting me already. Get close right now. I want to see you. No top songs. You can rewind. Let me hold 100. At all the haters. Should have caught the sell at 11. Would have been up. Dude, yes. Next, you see how hard I roasted you. I already read that. Fuck you, Cartoony. W trade. Guys, I can't read all this. Cartoony, join my program, my boy. All losses covered. Dude. Insane. The only loss that was covered was, yeah, for Monday, right? Oh, and more. You guys don't understand. Crazy. Bald eyebrows is crazy. Chat's roasting. What the fuck? I'm no longer calling winning trades for you guys. I'm gonna give you guys free money. Damn, losing my alarm cost me back. They did, dude. Honestly, it really did. Textbook setup too. UK 100 still running. If you guys move to break even, what you could have at Asia highs, you would have capitalized on at least like a 1 to 3 here. Yeah, basically. I think price is bound to push higher here, but again, I'm just super content 1-to-1, quick and easy out, because again, like when it comes to trading like this, I'm only looking just for that initial volume push. Price could end up wicking here, taking liquidity and pushing lower into further discount areas. Counter is at 100, chat. Do I say that much? I feel like I do. I feel like I really got to work on that. Same and fuck. Nickel Daddy, that Don't Worry Babe, top songs. Wow. I hope you're a girl. That's crazy. OD. Thank you, Alex Noon. I'm ready to pro. It's called Nick's Demo Account Trading Gear. Wow. Wow. Yeah, join up. Top Songs ain't no girl. I know he's not. That's the thing. Top Songs is definitely a man. It's worrisome. Thinking gold buys. Let's check gold, guys. I'm not getting any more trades again. Two for two. We're done. Gold buys are looking good. Damn, Dodgers lost, but Knicks always wins. Hello. Yeah, I'm honestly more of a Padres fan now, Nolani. Did you put Dodgers? I don't even know if you put it. Someone did. I forgot who. Why is Nick blushing though? I'm not blushing. What the fuck? Makes you look like Charlie Kirk when you smile. Charlie Kirk is crazy. Cartoony's been coming here just feeling violent lately. It's all about them Padres, baby. Yes, I love Padres. Top thongs, yes, we love top thong. Straight spanking today. Dude, you guys understand, I was not expecting that score. I was like, wow. You're a Dodgers fan, Alani? Ugh. I knew there was something off. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Dodgers are my third favorite team. Dodgers, my G. LA. I feel that. Again, guys, beautiful trades. Thankfully got out of jail. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback, but again, that's expected, especially being we gapped pretty big at open. A lot of times you'll see price pullback, bottom wick into this area, and then shoot higher just to make sure that all gaps are filled. But we are getting deported. I know it's crazy out there now, yo. Thanks for letting me borrow those 10K. I got you, Edgar. Of course, anytime. Bro, really? Dude, I probably would. My boy Edgar hitting me with that fucking. Who is a fucking G when it comes to assists? Smooth today, very smooth, Jocko. Smooth little in and out, guys. And if you guys are new here, super quick. I only trade at London Open. I'm really just looking for that initial push. Sometimes I'll wait. I read chat and I'll read right now. Fuck you, Cartoony. I don't have to fucking put Cartoony on. He's a rage baiter right now, but lost my train of fucking thought, dude. Come on. Fucking Cartoony. I've been a Dodgers fan for years. Oh no. I took the trade UK 100. Hell yeah. But what I was saying is, again, I trade at London Open, so price is moving fast. Again, I go over it a couple times before London does end up opening, which again, I started 11:45. I tell you guys like multiple times what I'm gonna do, what I'm planning. So I hope you guys are able to catch these trades with me. Even if you're not necessarily taking it based on what I'm saying in your own plan, which I support entirely. Perfect. I feel like London session is still consistent. Oh my god, yes. You guys have been trading New York session, which I literally sleep through it because I don't have to trade it. London is just by far dominating it as far as having way better price action and market structure and just overall seeing again simple stuff like this where we're just looking to manipulate previous session highs or lows or daily highs or lows or looking to facilitate some sort of pullback, right? Padres fans are sussy. What are you trying to say? Like Padre fans are the best. Next, who's your barber? My barber's a fucking G. Don't talk shit on my barber, but I've been fucked up before, not by him. Every time I cheat on my barber because there's times where like I'm last minute, I'm like I need a cut. He's not free, I gotta go cheat on him with someone else. They always fuck me up, and I deserve it because I should have scheduled that appointment a week in advance to make sure, Same here, Dodgers, my G. Yo, we take any trades right now? 5 new account. We already took 2 trades right at London Open. Again, I was just saying I only take trades at London Open, so be here right before then. We took both these buys here on UK 100 and DAX. Beautiful setup. Just looking for a quick session manipulation of previous session highs. Good, they gave Knicks the fruity fringe. Honestly, it does look a little off right now. I don't blame you for clowning me. I'm not gonna take that one to heart because there's been time where my hair does look better. I think it needs to be longer on top. You're giving Cartoon a lot of clout. Yeah, I need to fucking stop reading your chats, Cartoon. I'm just joking. Yeah, it's my guy best friend. Yeah, me and Cartoon are boys. His barber Stevie Wonder. What good? Cartoony IRL friends and yeah, we live in Nigeria together. No, Nigeria. Oh my god, I'm sorry. He literally called me fucking. I'm not gonna say it. Not Nigeria. Where is it? Where do you live again? India, somewhere over there. Cartoony, I feels my G. We next do black together as race. Let me find out Cartoony's because imagine. Nah, let me find out top songs is like a burner account of like some fucking. Nah, it wouldn't make sense because he's such as fuck to Luca during Nigeria is crazy. My bad. Like it's I mean nothing by it in any way, shape, or form. Guys, Dex is still running. And again, like if you guys are still in, which I totally I want to say if you're still in, at least be a break even, but I support price still pushing up. We have a crazy bottom wick here. Again, this is a crazy good sign that price should still push up. And my idea, or at least my analysis behind his price, is going to come up top wick or at least fill in this area of imbalance, right? So we'll see. Next, you're getting crazy, giving it up to Dax. You can at the same time. Yeah. Giving it up to them is crazy. They gave it up to me. But your way of saying it is absolutely ridiculous. Never come at me like that again. It's like you kind of just Drake Giver than Dax and Diddy Oiler here. Wow. Wow. But yeah, I appreciate all 4 of you guys in here. I don't know what the likes are at. Someone tell me what are the likes right now. And then once you tell me, I'm going to either talk shit in the best, nicest way possible, because there's 4 of you in here, just called 2 amazing trades. Like you guys gotta like it up. And again, it just if you guys missed it, it just tells you to be here tomorrow, right on time. 6 likes, crazy. Wow. Wow. Make sure to chat how you did your nails. Like that. Let's go. Yeah, run up the likes, guys. Like, come on. Like just called 2 amazing trades. Literally yesterday called a fucking 1 to 3. That I know a lot of you were able to capitalize on either partials or just running all the way down. Fire. I don't even know what to say. I was the first like Cartoony. I appreciate that. Why Cartoonie's the boy. 17 likes. You guys are awesome. Thank you for running it up again. I know sometimes you guys forget. That's why I didn't want to talk too much shit. You guys are still awesome. Like I said, super quick stream. Like I don't even know what to rant about at this point. Like usually, like yesterday, oh my god, such a long stream, guys. We sat in drawdown for 45 minutes before price ended up coming back and running all the way to RTP, which is really nice. I'm not complaining about that because there's nothing to complain about other than the fact that it was a long stream. But yeah, can you mark up gold? Let's mark up gold, guys. I'm gonna do my best to hold back the shit talk. But again, like when it comes to gold, what like I can see just from like visually looking at it, like I can go to higher time frames. One higher time frame, we definitely push bullish here. We're within this bullish leg. We started to facilitate a pullback. It seems like we already did that. So coming down to lower time frames, what we could be seeing is now facilitation of this lower time frame leg. We broke higher here. So we could be seeing price pull down into a lower level of discount, which in this case is here, has not been hit. So coming down to the 5-minute, seeing that we've already manipulated previous session highs, I could say if price with some good volume ends up breaking like this area of support or something like that, I could see myself shooting for sells in this case. Again, gold moves completely differently, but if I were to play it the same way I always play it, I could see price running down to Asia lows to seek liquidity. I probably wouldn't shoot all the way down here, and if I were to, I'd be at break even at this structural low here because there's a lot of liquidity sitting down there, and that could be the liquidity price needs to flip back and go the opposite way. You're not trading pairs anymore? I do still trade pairs, but pairs are so slow. Like I literally haven't seen anything all week. I took 2 fucking trades in May, and I'm sorry to cuss if Red Dog's in here, but it's just 2 trades. And I'm not saying there's not opportunity at times, but a lot of these opportunities end up running without me. So meaning price runs, doesn't come into my area of interest, which would be a supply demand zone. So, but like, it's not that I'm doing bad with Forex, but I'm coming out with very small percentages in profits at the end of the month because of how slow it is. So, but again, indices is a totally different story because we've been absolutely killing it, honestly. Again, just kind of making that switch slowly, but again, not entirely because the way I trade Forex is so lenient and so it's so doable in the sense of all I have to do is look at it at the beginning of the week, see if there's anything that interests me. If it does, I'll come back and look at it within a couple hours, set a limit, and walk away. Simple. You only trade London or also New York? Nah, just so I trade London when it comes to breakouts like what we took today. Like this is when I trade London. But I trade basically every session when it comes to Forex. Like I'm willing to enter during multiple sessions because I'm more of an intraday trader when it comes to Forex. Only thing about futures, only gold at London. What do you mean, Alex? Next time we get a live stream where you live trade gold while getting a blunk in and wear a ski mask. Cartoony, that comment is crazy. Most people would ban you for saying some absolutely outrageous shit like that. Like, wow, ridiculous. I don't even know what to say. Thanks for not banning me, man. Yeah, you're welcome, I guess, because that's wild. Like, you can trade NAS or US30, but not as much movement. Oh, like during London, yeah. Or like even if you're saying during New York, even during New York, it's been so chopped. Like I looked back and was like somewhat backtesting New York session, doing the same like take on what I do when it comes to London. As far as volume with looking to manipulate like session highs or lows, and it just wasn't moving right. It was moving weird. Maybe it's the days I was looking at, but Cartoonia demon for sure, dude. Probably is. Cartoonia's got to be a burner account, dude. Honestly, it has to be. I just have a feeling it is. I have a feeling it's a burner account. I do. Who is it? I don't know. I always talk about this. I actually haven't talked about it in a while, but I so want to see who Cartoon do a face reveal. I want you to. I wish I could see who is like viewing my stream. Like I want to see who's lurking that I went to school with. I feel like that'd be like so funny to see. Obviously, some people are actually supporting. You're fucking a real one. I love you, and yeah, you're awesome. But I want to see like who the people are lurking. It'd be funny. Yeah, Cartoon, do that face reveal again, guys. I think I'm gonna end it here. Do a Discord live. Might do that, Edgar. Cartoony. Tomorrow we're gonna hop in a Discord live on stream. Should we do it on the stream, guys? What, Cartoony? What's your one more thing? If it's shit talk, watch yourself. Can I talk in a Discord call? You can't talk right now. I'm not on my like. Let me like. I don't want to fuck with Luca's setup. And I don't know how to connect like his. Like obviously I can do it, but I just don't want to. Cartoony and top songs face reveal. Yes, guys, we might do that. A Cartoony and top songs face reveal. Really cool. Such a great call today. Thank you, Jocko. Honestly, it was. You guys know we called 2 absolute crazy trades. Super textbook. If you guys did not see the breakdown, please go back into the live, into the rewatch, and rewatch it, please. Super beautiful. Again, just textbook stuff. We rinse and we do this shit every single day. I'm telling you. So appreciate you guys. You guys are absolutely awesome. Cartoony, again, can't talk in Discord call. I can't trust what you're gonna say, my guy. I don't know. On a streamer university type beat, yes sir. Again, let's run it up. Let's keep running it up. NLT on top. You guys already know. We stay winning and be back tomorrow for New York. Luca's gonna be live. You guys already know he got a win yesterday and Monday. He's gonna keep running it up. So you guys are awesome. Appreciate all of you. I'm out.